Welcome to this journey of connection, growth, and inner peace. Take a moment to settle into a quiet space, free from distractions, a space that invites stillness. Sit comfortably with your spine tall, your shoulders relaxed, and your palms resting softly in your lap. Let your eyes gently close. Breathe deeply in and out. Feel the inhale. Fill your lungs with energy, and the exhale release tension from your body. Right now, this moment is for you, a sacred pause in the rush of your day. What if today could be different, lighter, more grounded? Let's explore that possibility together. As you settle into your breath, imagine that each inhale draws you closer to a center of calm within, and with every exhale, you release anything weighing you down. Feel your body sinking deeper into the present moment, rooted and steady. This is not just relaxation. This is the start of a journey to reconnect with the earth, with your authentic self, and with the freedom to grow. Can you feel it? That gentle shift happening inside you. Stay with it as we take this moment to anchor ourselves. Envision yourself standing in a wide, open field of lush, emerald green grass. Your feet are bare, gently touching the soft earth beneath you. The sun is warm on your skin, and the air is sweet and fresh. With your breath, begin to visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the soil. These roots are strong and steady, holding you securely in this moment. Your connection to the earth deepens with every breath. Let these roots grow wider, stronger, wrapping themselves gently around the nutrients of the soil. Feel the support beneath you. Allow yourself to trust it. Now, picture yourself transforming. You are no longer standing here as you are, but as a magnificent, sturdy tree. Imagine your roots growing deeper into the earth, grounding you to your core. Feel your body lengthen like the trunk of a tree, your arms becoming expansive, branches reaching for the sky. You are as boundless as you are grounded. Feel the duality of being rooted and free. From your roots, you draw strength, stability, and nourishment. Through your branches, you feel expansion, possibility, and light. With every breath, you grow a little more, standing taller, reaching higher. This balance of being firmly rooted and infinitely expansive is your birthright. Now, affirm to yourself, I am safe to grow, to expand, to dream. I trust myself to stay grounded no matter where life takes me. I am deeply connected to the earth, to myself, and to my purpose. Sit with these truths for a moment. Let them echo through your being. Feel the richness of the earth beneath you and the openness of the sky above. The more you lean into this sense of grounding, the stronger and freer you feel. As you notice this transformation blooming within you, reflect, what does it mean for you to trust yourself more deeply, to embrace growth even in unstable times? Sit with that question as we unlock even greater clarity in the final moments of this journey. Slowly begin to bring your attention back to this moment, back to your space. Picture the tree gently fading, leaving only your rooted, vibrant self behind. Wiggle your fingers, roll your shoulders softly, and take one last deep, nurturing breath. How do you feel now compared to just minutes ago? Express gratitude to yourself for showing up today, for grounding yourself in the midst of life's busyness. Gratitude is a powerful force, and the more you practice it, the easier it becomes to stay connected to this sense of rootedness and growth. When you are ready, gently open your eyes and release a small smile. As you step into the rest of your day, remember this energy, this sense of calm and focus. If you would like to deepen this practice even further, check out our next guided meditation about achieving deep inner peace. It's just 10 minutes of your time to refuel and recenter. Take this grounded energy with you and remember, with every breath, you are growing, you are becoming, you are free.